Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. As you can see, we have a big canvas today. I haven't done a big canvas in quite some time. For a while there, it seemed like that was all I was doing when I was getting ready for a couple of art shows. And I really liked the color combination from the past couple videos. Assuming that everything goes up in order. The colors happen to be Liquitex Basics mixed with a tiny bit of Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in white, just to brighten it up a little because it dries very, very dark, almost black. I wanted it to be purple. Go Ravens. I have Liquitex Basics in Cadmium Yellow Light Hue. And I have Deco Art Americana in Coral Blush and in Bluegrass Green. We're going to do a straight pour. The background for this straight pour will be the purple, and the cells will pop up through that. That is an opaque color, and that has a tendency to fall to the background because opaques generally are heavier, generally. So this is a 16 by 20 canvas. That would be like 11 ounces of paint. There is a chart in the group Go Make Some Art on Facebook. It has both metric and US standard size measurements for how much you will be needing. So if you have questions, Go Make Some Art is a great group. You will get hooked up there. Okay. So since this needs 11 something ounces, 2, 6, 8. Okay. 2. I'm methylating. Pardon me. It smells like bacon when I try to do math. 2. And actually, let me do my base coat because I don't want the cells popping up in the cup. I want them popping up on the canvas. I forgot to spray the back of this canvas. On a canvas this size, that is very important. Ooh, okay, that was a near disaster because what will happen is the canvas will sag and your paint will pull to the center. Not what you want when you've taken extra care and time to make sure that you have a good composition, and then it gets ruined. Okay, and you always want to make sure you reserve just a little bit of your base coat in case you need to touch up a corner, especially if it's a custom blend like this is, because it's very hard to get it exact. I'm doing the green first. And I may have to sit this down. That may be out of shot for you guys, but not much I can do. I'm going to do the yellow next. And then the coral. And there's already cells popping up. Wait, not yet. Okay, I'll put my gloves on after I pour. I need to do this quick. All right, let's pop these bubbles. Okay, let's see what happens. Just catch this corner and stretch. Bring your paint back to center before changing directions. Use the weight of the paint to control your flow. That is so very, very important for keeping your composition. And the more you move this paint around, the more cells will pop up. These little tiny pieces of schmutz are ruining these paintings for me. They get caught in your paint and you wind up with lines where it looks like a bug has crawled through it. Okay. I think I'm going to leave it here and see what happens. More cells should keep popping up. The coral blush seems to give very oddly shaped cells, so I don't know that I love that. I like the green. That green is definitely working for me. So we know now for sure that the bluegrass green is a winner for the cell making. And I'm not sure what happened with my yellow. It didn't sink. Well, it sank, but it didn't stay down there, so curious. All these little bits of schmutz. Why? Okay, I'm gonna let this do what it does, and I'll come back and do a close-up. Back in a few. Okay, well, here it is. More cells have popped up. More cells will probably keep popping up. The coral color seems to have popped up in some of the green. These colors together just look so cool. Those are those little lines I was telling you about caused by schmutz. I'm gonna have to triple up on my pantyhose, I guess. Try to keep those things out of my paint. But I dig it. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. I hope you learned something. I did. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. And do check out the description box below this video for links to my PayPal tip jar, should you be so inclined, my website, a link to our group Go Make Some Art on Facebook, and a link to my Amazon store. If you enter through the store, anything that you purchase off of Amazon, I will receive a small commission of at no extra cost to you. So it helps me stay afloat and staying stocked up in paints to bring you a new video every single day. All right, y'all. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art. Okay, well, someone asked to see the dried paintings, so I can actually do that today. This is the big one. And there are the other two. They still maintain their very bright colors. But one thing I want to show you, if I can, don't know if you can tell how matte those green cells are in comparison to the background. But the colors that sell are more matte in finish. And you can see it starts kind of getting more shiny as I get toward the edge where I lose those cells. And it's the same for this one. If I can get an angle, don't know if I can. There we go. So there they are, the dried pieces. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Go make some art.